Alright guys, today we're going to be doing a unboxing and test and review of the Hosim 9155. Alright, let's dig in this box and see what's in there. So, what you get in the box, you get your truck, you get your charger, some spare body clips, your wheel wrench, your manual here, several different languages, got operating instructions in there, and then in the back you have your parts if you ever need replacements. And under here we have a 540 motor, 60 amp speed controller, 2.2 kilogram servo, 1500 milliamp lithium ion battery. We got Dean's connector, which is nice because it makes finding replacement batteries so much easier, because this is not a an oddball connector. These are, you can find these all over Amazon. It does come with a light kit. The lights I already got installed. You just plug it into the receiver ESC combo, run the wire up here, plug it into your light buckets, and you're good to go. It does not come with this little zip tie. I put that in there just to kind of hold it secure so it wasn't flopping around and to make sure it wasn't unplugged. And also you get the nice radio, got your steering dual rates, the trim, reversing, and then high and low speed if you want to go normal speed, or slow it down if you have a beginner. Turn it on, and that means it's not connected to the truck. And then you can tell when it's connected because you get these nice blue lights here that light up showing you that it is connected, and then the red LED also is solid. It does have proportional throttle and steering, so you can go a little bit, and it's a very strong. As you can see here, the lights are really bright. One thing I wanted to say real quick on these little guys, these chargers actually don't work too bad. You can charge the battery in about 45 minutes. But I'd recommend it, instead of unplugging these into like a computer or something like that, is to actually use a phone charger block like this and plug it into there, because those are the USB on a computer is actually a low power, and it doesn't have the same power you get out of a phone charger, and you get a lot faster charge times if you use the charging block. All right, let's get her outside and see how she works. Okay guys, we got the Hosim 9155 out here, and we're gonna take her for a rip. I hope the wind noise isn't too bad, but it's windy and there's not a lot I can do about that, but let's get her going. Handle's nice.
Handles good in the air, actually. This one's a little bigger than the other ones that I've ran recently. And this one's actually got some pretty good air control. I mean, it's not awesome, but it's pretty good. Definitely a tough little truck. Now this version does not have oil-filled shocks. They do have another version, I think is $10 more, and that one does have oil-filled shocks on it. And I am planning on upgrading this one and picking those up. I just have not done that yet. I would have to say though, I am really impressed with these little cheap trucks. Considering what they used to be a few years ago and what you could get for about $100. I mean, they've really come a long way. I mean, I would not be afraid to give this to any kid and just let them beat and beat and beat, because they're really tough. And they're fast enough and fun enough that even I enjoy driving them. Yeah, the next video we're gonna do the oil shocks. We're gonna do a speed test between 2 and 3S, and we are just gonna see what these are if you spend, I think, what would it be? The battery you can get for like $15, and I think $20 for the shocks, which ain't a bad deal. And see how it works. Do kind of a budget RC build. All right, well, we're back in after the run. Everything worked good. Ended up with about 15 minutes of run time on it. Everything worked good. Didn't break anything. The only thing I did was I did lose a body clip, which is to be expected. That's why they give you extras. And overall, I would say it's definitely worth the price. If you want to know where to get it from, I'll have a link down below. And that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.